In this video, we will talk about SQL count, average and sum functions. So as clear from the name, count function is used to count the number of records in a particular table. Average function is used to find out the average value of a particular column in a database table. And sum function is used to calculate the sum of all the records of a particular database table column. Let me show you the usage of these functions one by one. Here I have opened the salaries table. I will edit the query. Here I will write select count. So this is the count function, count, and then within parentheses we have to specify the column name, or we can specify star as well. So I have written select count of star from salaries. So this will return the number of records in this salaries table, the entire salaries table. Okay, so I'll just run this one. So you can see there are more than 2 million records, near about 3 million records in this table, and that we have calculated using the count function. You can also use the as keyword to rename the column. Okay, I am fetching the count as number of records. Okay, so I'll run this query, and here you can see the column name as number of records. Okay, now I'll show you the usage of the average function. So I want to find out the average salary. Okay, so I'll just use average and then the name of the column, that is salary, and select average as, so I will just rename the column as average salary and then from salaries table. Okay, so this will give me the average salary. So I'll just click on go. So you can see the average salary comes in a floating point number with 4 decimals. So it's 63,810.7448. And similarly, I can find the sum of all the salaries. So for that, instead of AVG, I will write SUM. Here, no need to change anything. And here, I will rename the column as sum of salaries. Okay. And let me just run this query by clicking on the go button. You can see the sum of salaries is a huge number. That's how you can make use of count, sum and average functions in SQL.